Hello guys, welcome to my channel is something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a network adapter code 31 error device is not working properly in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how to do this fix it, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Okay guys, let's get started. The first method is that first of all in the search box type our registry editor. Open registry editor, right-click run as administrator. After opening that, first of all, select the H key local machine and expand it. After that, select the system and expand it. After that, select the current control set and expand it. And after that, select the controls and expand it. And after that, go down and find out a network. Now you can see that network. Select it. After that, delete the config file. Click on delete and yes to continue. After that, close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After opening a device manager, first of all select a network adapter, and after that expand it. Okay guys, after that select a network adapter, right click and click on a properties. Go to your details, and after that select a hardware IDs. Now you can copy these details, close it, and after that go to your browser and Google search engine and paste it and press enter. After that, click on the first link's driver identifier. Click on it. Now after that, select a and click on download button. And after that, start the downloading. Click on save. Now downloading will be started. It's required for a few minutes according to your internet speed. After that, go it, open and install it. So in my cases, the Windows security says it's a virus. So go to your settings, go to your privacy and security, go to your Windows security, go to your virus and threat protections, go it and turn it, turn off. Okay guys, go to it. Back to it. Okay guys, after downloading, turn off your virus protection and restart your computer. And after that, after restarting, close the first of all virus protections, and after that install it in your PC. And after installing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.